The heat is on, especially in Florida, the Sunshine State. And for homeowners Dagoberta and Flor Bonilla, it's time to think cool.
It is very important because there are like 3 months which is very hot and high humidity in Florida. We spend most of the time in the house, so it's very important for us to be comfortable with a nice cool weather, nice AC unit.
These days, every dollar counts. So when it comes to upgrading their current air conditioning system, they, like many homeowners, want to make the right decision.
We decided to do some upgrade and get a better system because this one is kind of old already and is running very slow, and through the years we have to fix it here and there, so we're spending more money on that.
To help them, they're meeting with local contractor Esteban Mendez with Pride Air Conditioning, who can explain just what to look for when choosing a reliable and affordable HVAC system for their home.
Thank you for inviting me today to talk about upgrading your air conditioning system. I've got a couple questions for you. What are we looking to do by upgrading to a new air conditioning system?
Well, Esteban, we are looking to upgrade our unit in order to save some money on the electricity.
Okay.
And get a better efficient system, you know, because the current one, it doesn't really go all the way to our bedroom, so it's hard at night. So then we really hope that this one will be a better option.
Okay, I recommend the York air conditioning system because it's a brand that's been around for 140 years. At the same time, they do offer a wide range of high energy efficiency systems. They have a good housekeeping seal, and they were rated the 3rd best air conditioning brand on the Architectural Digest magazine.
Oh.
Would that sound like an option you would like to explore?
Yes, sounds very good.
Sounds good.
Perfect. So with the York air conditioning system, there are some federal tax credits that are there for you, utility rebates, and even consumer rebates. That's going to make it more affordable to purchase this air conditioning system.
That would be good.
What do you guys think? Would you like me to go ahead and get this unit scheduled to install for you?
What do you think?
Ready to upgrade.
All right, let's do it. Perfect.
Okay, that's good news.
Let the installation begin.
Okay, so here's your new York air conditioning system. You hear how quiet that is?
Yeah, I noticed, and also
Yeah.
it's a great advantage for our neighbors, you know, so.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Good. So best in class manufacturer warranties, and then because Pride Air Conditioning installed it, you're going to have a maintenance agreement with it. So we're going to come out and do your maintenance regularly. And what do you think about that?
Sounds great.
It's very good, yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's go inside and go look at that smart thermostat we talked about.
Let's see.
Good.
Okay, now that we've gone over the installation of your outside unit and the inside unit, this is how you're going to be able to control the temperature of your home. This is the HX3 Smart Wi-Fi enabled thermostat. With this thermostat, you're going to be able to control it via an app on your smartphone or any of the smart devices. So you'll be able to control your temperature from the couch, from the bedroom, or from anywhere, even if you're out of town.
Oh, that sounds great because we travel a lot, so it will be really good to have the control on my phone. So that makes it a lot easier.
Perfect.
Yeah,
I'm
that's
glad
good.
that you're happy. I really appreciate you guys choosing York Air Conditioning and us to install your AC system.
Oh, thank you, Sevan. That sounds really good.
Thanks a lot.
I'm really
Thank
happy.
you guys.
And now it's time to chill. For more information, check out york.com or our website, designingspaces.tv.